The first experiment that I did with the leather that I purchased from Hobby Lobby didn't go so well. Even though it works, the leather is too stiff and I have to force this up and down. So with my knife, I was scraping this strip off, but I find it better to use my Dremel here. And I'm just going to thin it out some and then try repairing another antique bellow with it. Like I said, the package that I bought will repair probably 40 bellows, maybe a little less. But if you were to buy leather material at your clock store to repair bellows, it's going to cost you about $20. So if this works, I save around $400 or something like that. $200 maybe. So I'm all about trying to save people money, and I'm all about experimenting, trying to get things to work. And so if it works, we'll let you know. Like I said, I'm gonna thin this out and I'm gonna put it on another bellow and see if it works. So stand by for the next video. And again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.